Email is an important part of our daily lives. We use email to communicate for work and to stay in touch with family and friends. We at Network Solutions understand this. Therefore, we are committed to providing you with a reliable email experience that is up to date and easy to use. Welcome to Professional Email. Professional Email has been created to make email even easier. We've also increased security and introduced a sleek, modern design that is sure to please. Let's look at some of the new features we've added and are excited to share. Mail was designed to make it easy to use. It offers you a new experience of email that lets you drag and drop from many functions that needed many clicks before. Move an email to a new folder? Drag and drop. Add attachments to your email. Simply drag and drop from your local folders. Move someone from to CC. Drag and drop their email or names from one line to the other. Your new unified inbox lets you add as many email addresses as you want. You can move emails from other accounts to your mail and simply reply from there. Your folder tree will allow you to access all of your accounts at the same time and provides an overview of everything that is going on. Drag and drop, unified inbox, and a new folder tree. These things help make mail a great experience for you. We know how important it is for you to keep track of your family get-togethers and appointments. That's why we've included a calendar in Professional Email. Your new calendar allows you to schedule appointments like a pro, while keeping it simple at the same time. Creating a new appointment is easy. Just click on the time slot or mark a time frame, and the Create Appointment window opens. Now, just add a subject, a description if you like, and you're all set. Your appointment is created. Want to add other people, create a daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly schedule? Why not? Your new calendar allows you to do this and much more. Just give it a try. The Tasks app allows you to keep track of all your to-dos. Want to remember to run an errand? Just add a new task. You can even set reminders or assign tasks to others. Portal allows you to quickly see an overview of your day. Your latest emails and upcoming appointments will be displayed. Customize your portal by adding the latest content from your favorite news websites or your other inboxes. Organizing your day made simple. Welcome to Professional Email.